Hey pretty girls, it's Stay. Welcome to the Pretty Girls Club. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. If you're not, hey girl, hey. As you can tell from the title of this video, we are about to talk about influencer marketing. So as you all know, influencer marketing is taking over, okay? Influencers can get your business and brand seen way faster than print advertisement nowadays. You know, back in the day, print advertisement was the #1 way to get your business out and about. You all might be wondering, what is print advertisement? Magazines, newspaper articles, also TV advertisements, billboards, things like that was all ways that brands and businesses used to advertise back in the day, maybe even as late as the early 2000s. After the 2010s, especially after quarantine in 2020, influencer marketing has skyrocketed. Of course, when when I first started my business in 2019, I used to do the promote for YouTube. I used to pay YouTube, or not YouTube, I used to pay Instagram or pay Facebook for ads. Now, I do not do that anymore. I work with influencers and things like that. So I'm gonna be honest, I have not worked with many influencers since about 2021 maybe, and I definitely have seen a difference. When I started my business back in 2019, I worked with my first 2 influencers in 2020, and together they brought me in 10,000 followers. No YouTube could have did that. No Instagram advertisement could have did that. No magazine, no nothing. Influencers really helped my business grow in the beginning, and I'm here to tell you all, work with influencers. And to be honest, the smaller influencers and the smaller creators are having better success than the bigger influencers and creators. So for example, we have an influencer, and let's just say she has 1 million followers, right? She has 1 million followers, but when she posts, her engagement is probably a 0.25%. Opposed to an influencer with 5,000 followers, and when she posts, her engagement is a 10%. That is a big difference. I'd rather work with the person who has the higher engagement over the followers. We all know sometimes followers can be fake, sometimes ghost followers happen, things like that. You want to find influencers with high engagement rates, okay? The reason why you want influencers with high engagement rates is because you want to know that when they tag your product, people are going to click your name. When they promote you in their video, people are going to click on it to see more. People are going to click the links. People are going to click your tag. You want an active and engaged page over a page with a lot of followers. Now, I do take that with a grain of salt though. You do want to make sure that the page or the influencer or creator that you're working with does have adequate amount of followers, and you also want to make sure they have followers that matches your brand. So for example, again, if I have 2 influencers, they both have 10,000 followers, but one is about fitness and the other one is about clothing, or she likes to do shopping hauls. Me personally, for Pretty Girl Bangles, I will go with the girl who has a lot of shopping on her page, because most likely her followers are also shoppers. The girl who's posting about fitness, they might be wearing bracelets, might not. Most times, most fitness pages or fitness girlies go to the gym. You're not really wearing jewelry in a gym, so my jewelry post or her posting jewelry probably wouldn't perform well on her page. But the girl who does shopping vlogs and girly finds, my business would do good on her page, because most likely her followers are shoppers. Her followers love the color pink. Her followers love cute and dainty stuff. So my business aligns directly with that creator. So make sure when you are looking for creators, you are finding creators that match what you want to have promoted. It's no point of me going after the fitness girls or even the sports girls, basketball girls, because most likely her and her followers do not wear jewelry on a day-to-day basis. I want to go after the girly girls, the girls who shop, the girls who like the color pink, the girls who do a lot of unboxing videos, things like that, okay? So if you are a girl who sells, let's just say you sell bundles, okay? You sell wigs, you sell bundles. You want to go after the wig influencer girls, the girls who do get ready with me's, because those are the girls that take pride in their hair and they already are posting hair content, if that makes sense. So them promoting your hair wouldn't be out the ordinary. Opposed to, let's just say you have a girl, I'm gonna keep going back to fitness because it's kind of easy. Let's just say you have a fitness girl, she posts workout routines, milkshakes, protein shakes, and then all of a sudden she posting a wig. That might not match, because her wig, your wig on her page probably wouldn't get as many clicks. Now if you promote a wig, let's just say a non-slip wig or a wig that doesn't come off when you're sweating, that might work, because she can just do her exercises in your wig and then promote it that way. But that's also another step deeper. But for the most part, you sending a wig to a fitness girl might not get you as much engagement and traction, opposed to you sending your wig to a girl who do a wig influencer or get ready with me's or outfit looks, things like that. Okay, so if I'm making sense, drop down some green hearts in the comments below if you understand what I'm saying. So in like the years to come, I feel like by the time the end of this year comes, 2024 comes, I feel like influencer marketing is going to take precedence over print advertisement and TV and television and radio, because I'd rather give $1,000 to an influencer than to get my ad play on the radio. A lot of people don't even listen to radio nowadays. A lot of people don't even watch TV nowadays. People do Netflix, people do YouTube, Hulu, things like that. So honestly, print advertisement, radio advertisement is still going to be around forever, because that's just what it is. But as far as us nowadays, us new age business owners who are into social media, digital creation, we need to focus on influencer marketing. Okay, like I said, influencer marketing is the #1 way I grew my following on Instagram starting out. Of course, nowadays we can just be our own influencer, our own creator. We can make our own TikToks and Reels, but it's also always good to have your business on someone else's page so their audience can find you, because their audience might not even know who you are, but they're going to introduce you to their audience and bring over some to your page. So don't be afraid to reach out to influencers. Now with influencer marketing, because a lot of people are trying to become content creators and influencers, a lot of people nowadays are charging money. Back when I first started my business in 2019, early 2020, the influencers, was just starting to get started. Content creation was just starting to get started. So a lot of people were just accepting things for free as gifts in exchange for promo. A lot of people was doing it for free back in 2019, 2020. Now I know a lot of people are making a living strictly from content creation, so I definitely would say keep that in mind. Of course, the pages with higher and more followers are going to charge you more than the page that, let's just say, have 5,000 or less. They might not charge at all. They might just be happy to get an opportunity to work with you in your business. So just keep that in the back of your mind that you might have to pay. Now I will say be careful though, because you do not want to get scammed. You do not. Me personally, if I find like a page that has like a super high number of followers but their likes don't really match, it's kind of a red flag. I know nowadays we can post a picture and get 2 likes because the Instagram and TikTok algorithm sucks, but also beware that those type of pages can be fake pages or scam pages. They can scam you out your money. So what you would do is, for Instagram, I know you can go on Instagram and look at people's followers. If it looks like a lot of spam pages or bot pages, most likely that person bought their followers, okay? But if you go on people's pages and you see like a lot of regular day-to-day people, okay, that page could be real. So keep that in mind. Make sure you're not just, you know, sending your products to a page because they got 30 million followers and half of those followers are fake, you know, because then it's going to be pointless. So try to, me personally, I would say focus on like smaller micro influencers, 10,000 or less. Focus on that type of age, like not age range, follower range first, and then of course if you're prepared to pay more 20 to 100,000 followers would be a definitely more expensive promo. But I would definitely say look at pages with 10,000 followers or less, simply because their engagement rate is going to be higher. Those girls who have the 5,000 and 6,000 followers definitely has high engagement because people are looking at their pages, people are watching them. To be honest, when I first started my own personal TikTok, just to let you all know, yes, I do offer free promo over on my TikTok only for smaller businesses who sell anything but jewelry. Big name brands, they're gonna get charged. But if you're a small business who sells anything but jewelry and skincare, I would love to work with you. My personal TikTok is all about girly things, shopping, pink, things like that. So if you have lip gloss you want to send, I will be happy. Clothing hauls, I'll be happy to do so. Slippers, things like that. Nothing on my skin and no jewelry. But what I was saying was, when I only have 11,000 followers, but when I post like my little TikTok stories, I always get about 1,000 to 2,000 views on that, because my audience is so small and intimate that people are literally watching my every move. And that's going to be helpful in the long run, because that's going to keep my engagement rate super high. I have a 7% engagement rate right now. Again, like I said, a lot of people have 0 point something engagement rates. I have a full 7%, meaning 7% of my followers see every one of my posts. So I only have 11,000 followers. So that means about 7,000 of those followers see every single one of my posts, okay? I think that's what that means. 70% of 7. Whatever it is a high number. So just definitely, if you are a business owner and you're looking for ways to kind of like, okay, I'm posting on my own page every day, but I'm not getting the traction, I'm not getting the sales I want, think about reaching out to a couple influencers. Now, another thing I will say, influencer marketing works mainly with people who do not own businesses themselves. Do not send your products to another business owner, okay? Because most likely that business and business followers are there for that business. Send your items to regular influencers, regular content creators that don't own a business. Send it to people like that, because you want to make sure that their audience is looking for the next best thing. You know what I'm saying? Usually if you send your items to a business owner, their audience is looking at that business items only. At that business's items only. Opposed if you send it to a girl who has nothing to do with business, her audience is looking for lip gloss, they're looking for lashes, they're looking for bundles, they're looking for clothes, they're looking for jewelry, they're looking for some of everything. You know what I'm saying? They're looking for sunglasses. They're looking for the next cute item to get on to, okay? So just make sure that when you are looking for influencers and content creators, make sure they don't own a business themselves. I mean, I'm not saying it's impossible to grow or get engagement with those, but I would definitely say I'll prefer sending my items to non-business owners versus people who do own businesses. One last thing, then I'm going to end the video. Y'all might be asking me, okay, so Tay, how do I find these people? Simple. You find them on your Explore page, your FYP page. I come across so many girls on my pages now who does kind of the same thing I do on my personal page, like the shopping and the day of my lives, the get ready with me. Those are the girls you're gonna look for. Also too, you can find girls a lot of different ways. Like I said, on the Explore page, if you come across a piece of content that you love, click it and go to the person's page and kind of scout them out and kind of see, are they a content creator or was it just a post they just randomly posted? And kind of scout them out like that. Send them an email, send them a DM. If they have their email in their bio, send them an email. If they don't have an email, send them a DM, but DM them professionally though. Don't just say, hey girl. Like, no, hey, my name is so-and-so. I'm the owner of this business. I am looking for small creators like yourself to help promote my brand. I'm willing to give you free products in exchange for a piece of content, promo, posted, and tagged on your page. Boom, simple. And people are going to say yes, they're going to say no, or they're going to ignore you. But the least you can do is just try. So just take time to just browse your Reels page from your personal page and see the type of content that you like, and go on their page and see if they're a content creator. browse the FYP on TikTok. See the type of videos you like. So if you come across a video of a girl and she's got on, let's just say her favorite color is yellow and your business is yellow. She got on yellow from head to toe and she's saying all the girls who love yellow follow me. Go to her page, see if she's a content creator. Be like, hey, I have this new yellow two-piece. Would you mind wearing it? I see that you post a lot of yellow items on your page. I feel like my brand will go along with your brand. Or if you see a girl who's always wearing pink, hey, I have this pink two-piece, or I have some pink lip gloss. Would you like, you know, to work together? Same thing with girls who wear Crocs all the time, or sneakerhead girls. If you customize sneakers, customize Crocs. Hey, I see that you post Crocs all the time. I see that you have over 30 pair of Crocs. Can I customize you a pair of Crocs? Things like that, guys. Like, finding influencers is not hard. We see content creators, we watch other content creators all the time. The content we watch are from other content creators. They are there for us to use, okay? So make sure you are taking advantage of this. Content creation, influencer marketing is going to overpower print advertisement, TV and radio. I don't know if y'all are on TikTok deep like I am, but Tarte, the makeup company, they have been killing it with the brand trips. They've been sending big and small influencers on these brand trips, and they have been letting them create content with their products. Ironically speaking, my first ever Tarte product was purchased because I seen Monet McMichael at the trip in Dubai use this concealer, and I was like, I gotta have it. So they just got them a new customer from Monet McMichael in their brand influencer trip, okay? I would have never known about Tarte if it was not for their brand influencer trip. Of course, they're a huge multi-million billion-dollar company. Pretty Girl Bangles can't afford to send nobody to Dubai and wear bangles all day. But Pretty Girl Bangles can afford to pay smaller influencers to put outfit looks together with our bangles. You know what I'm saying? So it worked. It worked. If they didn't get not one other sale, they got a sale from me that time, because I would have never known about Tarte. It was about 30 girls. All the girls was wearing Tarte makeup the whole weekend. They was doing Get Ready With Me's with Tarte. They was taking their makeup off with Tarte. I never knew what Tarte was until that trip, so it worked. Had that lady put an advertisement for her concealer in like a commercial on TV, I would have never seen it. I don't have a TV. I don't have a TV in my room. Had she put that advertisement on the radio, baby, I wouldn't have heard that advertisement on the radio either. But because I saw it with my eyes from another influencer, that's why I bought it. So we are visual. We buy and shop with our eyes nowadays. Radio is just hearing. Okay, TV, you still have your eyes. Okay, cool. But a lot of us don't even watch TV. Again, but a lot of us are on TikTok. A lot of us are on Instagram. A lot of us are on YouTube. Those avenues and those platforms are going to be taken over in the next 10 years, okay? You're not even going to hear about nobody putting stuff in a newspaper anymore. You're going to hear about them putting it on their website or putting it online. How we get our news nowadays, the Shade Room. That's online. Whether you like the Shade Room or not, I personally don't follow them, but I do go to their page weekly just to get my daily or my weekly dose of black entertainment. I don't look up on Google. I don't open a newspaper. I don't watch the magazine. I go straight to the Shade Room. Again, another media outlet, okay? A social media outlet. That's an app on our phone, Instagram. So just keep everything I said in mind. I hope this video was helpful. If y'all learned anything new, got some motivation, got some inspiration, drop down some green hearts too. Like I said, I love when I just click play on the camera and I just talk to y'all about a topic that comes in my head. When it comes in my head, I like to talk about it. So I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.